Disclaimer: this is not a how-to video, because a how-to video is when you know how to. Our project might defy all laws of logic, reason, and possibly physics. Don't ask us how it works. We're as baffled as you are. It's like that magic trick where the rabbit disappears, nobody knows where it went, but it's probably wearing a tiny top hat somewhere.
What is up, guys, and we are back. So today the goal is to take all of the air con hoses out of the car, because we are not going to run an air con. After that, the goal is to put the gearbox on the engine, manifold, turbo on the engine, put the engine back on the car just to see if the engine will actually fit right in there, or do we have to bang the firewall to actually make it fit. So since we've took off the aircon, we're gonna keep actually the heater in the car, but to remove the aircon I have to remove the dashboard, so I'm just gonna wait on it. With the manifold back, I know I have no exhaust gasket. It's because it's going to be shipped to my house, so that's actually why. I'm just gonna hold the manifold with two screws, two nuts should I say, put the turbo, and then we'll actually see if it goes in the car. So that's actually an eBay manifold. I have no idea if the manifold will crack or not, but we'll see, because I think it's made of Chinesium, and we'll see how it goes on the Beetle. So turbo manifold is on. We have to take out, I don't know what's it called in English, but in French we call it actually a goat. So we'll take out the engine host, and then take out the engine, put the gearbox back, engine back in the Beetle, and then we'll see actually how it goes. So if you want, we can take safety about a minute. Is this safe? Yes. So we don't have any problem about that. That's okay. Take out the pin. Ah! That's nice. Really nice. Since the engine is actually draining, we can actually put the engine mount back on the engine, just like that. One bolt holding. Another one. Kind of holding, we're just gonna shock it with the impact on the first settings, so not high torque. The engine mount is back. Engine is about finished, as I say, of the draining. Just gonna clean up the mess a little bit and let's go. We're just gonna see if this bolt fit like this is gonna slow down the fluid leak. Doesn't fit, so it's kind of okay, I guess. So the goal right here with the dirt is actually to make the dirt drain the actual oil like this. I'm not gonna use much paper. Oil problem is taken care of. The safe one is okay. Taking out the engine stand. The goal right here, just to lower the engine, and then we can actually put the gearbox back inside of it. Coolant is leaking again. That's the gearbox. Okay, so the engine is almost in. I just have to lift it up, and I think it's gonna be quite tight with the turbo and the engine mount actually, but we'll see, we'll see. So why I cannot put the engine in the engine bay is pretty much because of my downpipe. So the downpipe is actually right here, so that's why I cannot put the engine inside, but pretty much it will fit, so we can actually take out the engine, put it back on the stand. Once it's on the stand, we can do a little bit of maintenance because it has 255,000 kilometers, so just maintenance, big cleaning. We're gonna mount everything for the turbo and so on, and then I think it may start actually. So you may ask yourself why I didn't actually put the downpipe out of the car, and it was just because I don't have my engine jack, well, my jack to go underneath the car, and I cannot because I'm too big, so I'm just gonna wait on it, take out the downpipe, and then once the engine is going to be well maintained, I'm just gonna put the engine back, fans back, and then we'll see how it goes. So, peace!